The Ashesi Innovation Experience is a program for high school students.
Throughout the program, our goal is to really expand the minds of the students.
The Robotics Module is a really exciting program that helps high school students, have a sneak peek into the world of robotics, artificial intelligence, and programming of that sort.
We introduce students to robotics as a way of exposing them to engineering and computer science. We use the Lego Mindstorm robotics kits, and they learn various mechanical principles and how to build robots to solve various problems. They also learn programming. We use a language called Robot C, and then they are given various tasks and challenges throughout the week, but there's always a final challenge where they are supposed to apply robotics to a simulation of a problem that is relevant to local industry or life in our local communities.
Robots are difficult because they don't speak human, they speak robot English, which is very weird and difficult because you need semicolons all the time. It's challenging because the robot won't always listen to what you say. You might find it harder to communicate with the robot.
It's been intriguing. Every day is different, and I've learned stuff here that I would most likely not learn anywhere else.
When I came here, I wasn't very confident about my capabilities. I didn't think I could do some of the things that I am doing now. So I think it has helped me boost my confidence level.
So we always start out the robotics module with an introduction to the field of robotics and have students brainstorm about what is a robot, what distinguishes a robot from an ordinary machine, and to what extent the study of robotics is relevant to us in Africa. We then go throughout the week interspersing short lectures with practical activities where they learn about different aspects of robotics. For example, robot locomotion, sensing, control, basically how the entire robot is created in order to solve a particular problem.
We went to Coca-Cola, a bottling company. We saw how they clean their bottles, how they fill it so quickly, and we saw the robots that we are trying to build here actually doing work in real life, and so it helped us understand the fact that what we are doing here isn't abstract, it actually relates to real life, and it motivated us. The fun part was we got free Coke and Sprite.
This year, our final challenge is based on a factory situation where you have bottles coming on a conveyor belt, and each team needs to build 2 robots. One robot needs to be able to detect and pick up the bottles from the conveyor belt, putting them into crates, and another robot needs to be able to transport those crates to a depot. We always like to choose a challenge that is relevant to local industry or local community life. And so this year we decided to actually go out into industry, into a factory, a very familiar brand. And when the students visited the factory, they realized that robotics plays a very important role in the production of Coca-Cola and other beverages. We picked this challenge because it is relevant to something that the students interact with every day.
I used to do remote class and things, but I don't apply the coding, but robotics has helped me to create my own encoders, and now I can program it. I can program my own software, and yes, I think it's a very great opportunity for me.
AIX has made me a different person in the sense that it has taught me how to be more creative, and then it has taught me that it's good to fail, because it's when you fail fast that you are able to learn from your mistakes, because you know where you went wrong.